Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up Voicemeeter. Now this is just a virtual audio mixer and you can skip to this timestamp to get to the actual setup, but right now I'm going to run you guys quickly what it is, what it does, why you need it, or why you might not need it. But you guys might notice that I am on Windows 11. I set up a dual boot system to make a video on Windows 11. I'm going to use it for a couple months and then make a video on it and kind of explain how it's going. Already, I am very torn about it, but that's not what this video is about. Now, Voicemeeter. Why do you need an audio mixer? Well, if you are a power user or just a gamer and you want to have Discord set, or if you're talking to your friends on Discord, you have music playing in the background and you're playing a game, right? You don't want all of those things to be on the same audio level, or you don't want to have to go in to the settings and manually turn them down, because that's too much work, in my opinion. So what Voicemeeter will do, and I'm sure that there are plenty of other software audio mixers. I know Windows has one, which is what I was just referencing, but with Voicemeeter it's free, it's very easy to use and set up, and that's really it. It's free and easy to set up. What else do you need? But yeah, and it's very good for, say somebody's being very loud in the Discord, you can just tab out and then use your scroll wheel over one of the columns to turn it down. And it takes practically no effort at all to do this. But yes, let's just get into it. So I'm actually going to reshoot this portion of the video because something happened with the last one. I don't know, audio got messed up. Welcome to Windows. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to look up Voicemeeter. And then you're going to want to click on this first link, vbaudio.com. Again, links for everything will be in the description below. Then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to come over to Banana. Now, you can get Voicemeeter, which is basically the most simple version you can get. If you still want audio control, but you're playing on a really crappy laptop or something, then this is the one to go with. But, I mean, I've ran Voicemeeter Banana on my old crap top that the OGs will know, of this channel will know. So yeah, Voicemeeter Banana. We're gonna download that, and Potato is just like the holy grail of freaking audio control. We're not even going to speak on this anymore. What you're also going to want to do is download Virtual Audio Cable. Now, I already downloaded it, so I'm not going to rerun the exe, but you're gonna get something like this. Then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to first extract it. Once you extract it, just run VB cable setup x64, run that as an administrator. If you don't run it as an administrator, the drivers won't actually download and it will give you an error because all you're doing is installing a driver. But once you have that downloaded and you have Voicemeeter Banana downloaded, again, it's dummy easy to download it. Just download the .exe, run the .exe, and then you should get something like this, except yours won't say browser Discord, and your cable output will not be detected yet. I also need to note that hardware output, it'll ask you for your hardware output, and if you don't know what your hardware output is, just right click on the little speaker icon, whether you're on Windows 10 or 11. You're going to want to open up your sound settings, and then whatever your default output right here is, that is what you are going to want to click. So mine is cable input, which once you get everything set up, you're going to want to set cable input, which is the virtual audio cable that I had you guys download earlier in the video. You're going to want to set that as default, and for your sound output, you're going to want to put that as whatever your output was. So what you're going to want to do is, for this, once you have your cable output installed, you can select WDM or MME. There is very little difference from what I've noticed. All they are different audio formats, just like, for example, .avi and .mp4. So I chose WDM. If it doesn't work for you, go with MME. And for Voicemeeter, VAIO, and aux, you can leave those alone. But if you do want to name them like I have them named, you're gonna want to right click on it, and if it pops up that 00 or whatever, just right click a little lower. You'll see browser, and you can just rename it from there. But since mine are already renamed, I don't have to do that. Now is the time to show you guys, like, how to connect Discord to this. So how do I get my Discord scroller to work? And so what we're gonna want to do is we're gonna go to Discord, and we're just gonna come up here and we're gonna go to our settings. Now once you're in your settings, you are going to want to go into voice and video. Once you get down to voice and video, you can select your microphone or keep that default. We're not touching the microphone in today's video, at least, but you're gonna want to select which audio device you are going to want Discord on. Now you can put Discord on, say, like Voicemeeter aux or Voicemeeter VAIO, or keep it on cable output. It really doesn't matter. What is going to matter though is you have to pick one. Now I keep mine on Voicemeeter aux. So once you have it on Voicemeeter aux input, that is all you have to do. If you really want to check it, you can click let's check, and you'll be able to see here that it is working, because you can see it going up and down there. But I don't want to hear myself talk for the rest of the video, so I'm going to disable that. Now, in a really easy way to do it on Discord. And you might have to sit here and configure your music, your gate, and Discord and whatnot. But this will give you overall control over if, like, okay, I use this now because if I'm playing with a friend or whatever on stream, I don't want my music to be as loud as him. I want my music to stay low, and I want him to be lower than me because he is not the main streamer. So what I would do, for example, is audio output capture. I'm gonna name this, for example, Discord, and then I would select Voicemeeter aux input, and it's that easy. Now if I'm in a Discord call, I would first ask them, like, before I start streaming, I'd be like, hey, say a couple things, I want to tweak your audio, making sure that it's good, and then boom, that's how you would do it. Now another use for this is that you can, like, have it set up to where maybe you don't care about Discord being on one, or like you don't care about this one being game audio or whatever, you just want it to be like Spotify. You can have, for your browser source, you can have your browser playing copyright free music, and then your main and that you can turn that all the way down. Now, this will make it to where you can't hear it, but your fans and the people watching can. And if you want to have, let's say, your own playlist playing, you can just have that playing on like this source. And it is very dummy easy to like set it up. But yeah, if you guys did enjoy the video, please make sure to like, subscribe, share. But before we get into that, I want to thank my Twitch subs, Otto, Gergen Games, LaserShock777, and 9 the Blinking 9. Thank you all for your beautiful patronage. And yeah, if you want to get a shout out like this, just go subscribe to my Twitch channel. If you use Twitch Prime, it's free.
I'ma fuck up my life. I'ma fuck up my life. We gon' party all night.